Welcome back, folks. So today we're going to do some extreme testing. This is one you really need to see. So I've connected everything in. We've got our pipe. Over here we've got a flow of water from the hose pipe straight into this. It's all being siphoned through this. Now what the aim is, we're going to take this off of here, all right? So there's a lot of crap up there. But what I've done is, on here, I've got my stainless steel bar, my short end from work, and also I've got the red tip. Usually on a pressure washer, you throw that in the dustbin. But today, we're going to be using this. House maintenance. It's got to be the business, isn't it? So let's see exactly how we get on. Whoa. So I don't have to really go up here too far to actually do anything.
House clean is a wonderful job, isn't it? Especially in the gutterings where you get a build up of all that rubbish and dirt and grime. It's typically caused because of leaves, twigs and debris and other organic materials being carried by the wind and the rain into the guttering. Over time, these materials can accumulate and block flow of water, leading to clogs. Additionally, if the gutters are not regularly cleaned and maintained, the accumulation of dirt and debris can become more of a problem. So it's best to have proper maintenance periods and cleaning essentials.
So this is car cleaning product. So let's see what this looks like. We're going to put it on here, just have a look.
This product is a citrus-based wash, providing a powerful and gentle cleaning agent, effectively removing dirt and grime and road contamination from your vehicle. But as you can see, I'm doing it on the house.
Now you don't want to get this stuff on you, like I've just done. It's fine. So you can almost take this straight off. Hopefully you can see this all right. Right, here we go. Let's see how this comes off. So what do you think about that then? Almost clean. Just got to do that bit under there. That's one thing with PVC plastic in it, and especially in white. You can see everything on it. It's just crap, isn't it, like, folks? Just look at that. And I'm still using the red one, by the way. One-handed. Absolutely brilliant, isn't it? And if you're trying this one-handed at home, don't.
Sweet, what do you think? That looks a lot better, doesn't it? Just need to do the rest of the house.
So let's have a look at what we've done. Doorway. And as we come up here, that top difference there, as we come along here, you can see the difference now, can't you? So come over to this other part. Yeah, I think you can see the difference there. And if you come along to this piece, you can see where I've been and where I haven't been. You can see the cut-off point there, can't you, folks? Am I doing this all today or not? I very much doubt it. Sun is just coming up over there. So looking at what I've done there, I don't think that's too bad for a Worx Hydroshot, to say the least. You know, I think that's looking great for what I can see, apart from all that down there. It's my gardening. Yeah, that's what happened to the gardening waste. So one of my main concerns about this little baby is when you're using it, does it lose pressure while you're using it? Well, the answer is I believe it does, because on that, I was losing pressure. Basically, where that says 56 bar, I reckon that drops when using it. At full power, when you're using it, yes, 56. With continuous use, like I've just done that bit there, I can't tell how much water I've used because I've got a continuous amount of water going into my bucket. Let's have a look and see how much battery I've used. I've just used 3 markers on that battery. So this battery would most likely do the whole lot along here. So all that and all that would most likely do that whole battery. So that's pretty good. I'm quite enjoying it. So let's have a look at the other bit we're going to be doing over here. So this is what I'm doing next, cleaning this out. Now look at this. And this is what gets up in your guttering. Yeah, can you just see that, can't you, folks? And the underneath's just as bad. You can see up there, can't you? All that along there. And if you like this type of content, please subscribe and please share. And don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Laters!
If you want to see more on the Hydroshot 56 bar, this is what's coming up very soon.